and welcome to Carspotting. We are directly above the Gowanus Canal. This is the first of New York City's, but the third in our series of New York's federal Superfund sites. It is a great place to see some pollution mitigation, some good cars, and also get some pie. Oh, what a good day. The Gowanus pie has been consumed, and we are walking to see some cars, but in the interim, I could not help but interrupt our car spotting walk with a little bit of bike spotting. And we're not just here to talk about my bicycle, which is back over there looking beautiful, beautifuler than ever. But in fact, we're here to talk about this tiny little bike here, which is really cool. It doesn't really look like that much if you don't know anything about bikes, but this name will ring true to, I don't know, maybe even dozens of viewers. This is a Terry, and Terrys are interesting because it was a company founded by, I think it's Georgina Terry, in the mid-1980s, and these bikes were the first bikes which were designed specifically with women in mind, women designing women's bikes for women with special geometry that was sort of designed to fit a woman's body more than a man's body. Before there had been women's bikes, and actually you can come see one right here. This is a convenient thing about being in Brooklyn. There's lots of bikes around. This is sort of what you think of as being a lady's bike. Traditionally, it's just a bike, but I guess it's easier to move your skirt over it. I don't know. I'm not a woman. I don't understand. And men's bikes look like this. Here's my bike. Ooh, beautiful. But so this one was the first one that Terry's were the first ones which were actually like women's bikes designed by women, not just being like, oh, it's a men's bike, but we made it worse. It's its own thing. There's actually all sorts of cool bikes here. This horrible Supreme Fuji, this really sporty looking alloy bike, and I would also like to point out an excellent Ban Cars sticker. Ban them. Let's get them out of here, folks. I will also point out this bike I don't know anything about. I'm sure bike nerds know a lot more than me, and will be like, how do you not know that bike is super cool? All I know is it looks neat, and it's a rim brake bike. And I would also like to point out, way cooler than that, is this bike seat, which looks like a medieval torture device, but I think is actually just an old leather seat minus the seat. So I think it's just the frame of it, but it looks extremely like Mad Max. And maybe it's comfortable. Also, I'll point out that this guy has a frame pump holder. That's what these things are. If you ever see these on a bike, you can hold a vertical pump that goes that way. We're going to get back to the weird four-wheel things that have engines or motors in them, like those, or that, or that, or that, or any of those. Oh, I have some pie on mine. I had some pie on my sleeve. Anyway, we're going to get back to that. All right, take care. Until then, bye.